Make sure to check out the Synergy Kombucha from GT's. And, you know, just if this flavor is available and you like it, you know, check it out. I like mixing it up, you know. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to drink some kombucha, and this is the Cosmic Cranberry, and I'm going to add some tangerine essential oil from doTERRA. And so the kombucha is going to support your immune system as well as your digestion with probiotics, and these are microorganisms that are very helpful for all that good stuff. And then the tangerine is going to add some additional flavor as well as detoxification for my liver, my kidneys. It's also very uplifting and energizing, and so these are a good combination. And I like to mix it up with citrus oils from doTERRA that are different, just to kind of, you know, spice things up a little bit, because, you know, I like a little flavor and stuff. And without further ado, we're going to drink this. I just got done working out, so this is also a good way to hydrate. And let's go. All right. So I'm gonna open her up. Okay, Cosmic Cranberry. That sounds out of this world, okay? All right, so I'm gonna open up the tangerine, and what I would like to do is put 1 drop per 4 ounces. So we're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay, there we go. And then I also like to reuse these containers to fill up with reverse osmosis water. And then I also put some raw and organic apple cider vinegar, just a little bit, and then the citrus oil of choice from doTERRA, again for those detoxification benefits, for the cleansing benefits, for the flavor benefits, for the energizing benefits. And so I'm increasing my vibrational frequency as well by just introducing some good stuff that's just really good for the body. And without further ado, we're gonna get into it. Okay, so some of the ingredients, just so you can kind of get an idea. So we have the GT's Kombucha, which is, you know, kombucha culture, black tea, green tea, kiwi juice, pure unsweetened cranberry juice, and 100% pure love. All right, those are the ingredients. All right, here we go. Okay, who's excited? I'm excited. It's bubbly, so, you know, it's good to, I can taste the cranberry. And tangerine adds a nice little flavor in there too. It's tingling the back of my throat. Whew. This is good. Excuse me. Some saliva came out here. Okay, here we go. We're gonna continue. It's ice cold too. That's how I like it. It's very delicious. Oh, I gotta mix it around because it's got some probiotics on the bottom. I don't know, you can't really see it, but all right, just make sure to mix it around. Get the rest of it. Woo, all right. How do I feel after that? Well, that was an awesome chug. So whether you drink it slowly, or sip slowly, or drink it fast in a dash. This is one of the brands I like to use. So this is the GT's Synergy brand. There's other flavors, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. Love this stuff. Gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO. All right, okay. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so for future video updates. And most importantly, check out the links in the description below. And the next time you're at a Sprouts, Whole Foods, or health food store, make sure to check out the Synergy Kombucha from GT's. And, you know, just if this flavor is available and you like it, you know, check it out. I like mixing it up, you know. Again, there's other brands I use too, but yeah, it's fun. It's a fun way to like hydrate. Again, support your digestion, your immune system, the flavor, the energy, all that stuff. It's good stuff. It's a really great drink, so highly recommend it. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.